Special keys.
Special keys are used to perform special functions. Let us learn about some of the special keys in detail.
Caps lock key. This key is used to type capital letters. When we press caps lock key once on the keyboard, the caps lock light will turn on. You can then type capital letters. For example, when the caps lock is on, caps lock, CPU, CPU. Enter key. Enter key is used to move to the next line. When you press enter key, cursor moves to the new line.
There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Backspace key is used to erase typed letters, numbers, symbols and words typed on the left side of the cursor. When you press the backspace key, the cursor moves backward, leaving a blank space.
Cursor control keys. Cursor control keys are used to move the cursor in 4 directions: left, right, up and down. These keys are also known as arrow keys. Shift key. Shift key is used with other keys for different purposes. If you press and hold the shift key along with an alphabet key, it will type that letter in capital, even when the caps lock is turned off.
It is also used to type the symbols present on the number keys.
Control and Alt key. Control key is used with another key to perform a particular task. For example, to move the cursor to the top of a document, press Ctrl plus Home keys. Alt key is also used in combinational keys to perform a particular task. For example, to close any program, press Alt plus F4 keys.
Symbol keys. These keys have special signs and symbols. Some symbol keys are to the right of the alphabet keys, such as slash, greater than, less than, open bracket, etc. They have 2 symbols on them. Some symbols are also placed over the numbers on the number keys, such as exclamation mark, @ hash, dollar, percentage, star, etc.
These symbols can be typed using the shift key.